pull it all the way back. Drop it, let go. Okay, now pull it back just a hair and look inside and see brass? Yep. Now let go, and you can even go like that. Yep, okay, and is it on safe?
No, now it is.
Okay. Okay, so.
Wait, okay, there we go.
Shooter ready? Whoa. Oh, now
what?
Keep it pointing up.
Oh, keep it? Okay.
So effectively it should be on your belt, kind of pointed out here like this.
Like that?
Just like that, and you want to put your hand up here like that.
Okay.
Okay, shooter ready? Stand by.
Oh.
2059. Okay, drop the mag.
Okay.
On this side.
Oh.
Okay. Put it in your pocket. Keeping the barrel always down range.
Okay.
Eject the shell 22. You can just, yep. And then show me it's clear. So hold it open. Okay. And then pull the trigger. Okay. And then hold it up